Hello guys, welcome to Traders Therapy Session. Today is the 18th of July, and please make sure if you are new from this video series, make sure that you watch the previous videos, especially the first one, because that video, it's where we broke down everything, our expectations, especially on a weekly time frame. So what we will do today is that we will just continue from where we are. Remember, our target is for gold to reach these highs. Without wasting any time, guys, let us just continue with what we have here. Remember when we started with this video series, we were somewhere here. That's when we spotted the trend line break and retest at this point. At this moment, we are not going to do anything on this time frame. We will only observe maybe the momentum of candles at this point. So we had this first candle right here. Then the week after, we had this candle. This is a kind of reversal candlestick pattern, but instead of giving confirmation, maybe double retest, it did what? The next week candle broke above and closed above, and this was a good candle. Then we anticipated last week Sunday, we anticipated that the new candle should come and break above. Hence, this candle left the week just for the price to retrace and come back, and this is what happened. But however, this week we are concerned about this candle. We are concerned about this candle right here. We know that this is a reversal candlestick pattern. What do you call it? Spinning top? Yeah, whatever it is, spinning top. Spinning top is not a doji because of the body still visible here. Whatever the candlestick is, but we are still concerned about this candle. Whether will the market, because of this, whether the market will give us the bearish candle, whether we'll see a bearish move this week, or this will act like that candle right there. We'll just have to push up. We don't know. We'll just watch the market from lower time frame. What will the market print for us? Check what is the market doing, what is the market giving us. Let's go to the lower time frame than this, which will be the daily. On a daily time frame, okay, I remove the analysis at this point. On a daily time frame, let's look at the price. Where are we? If we take the price from this point, we had an uptrend and we had a pullback. And this is an attempt to a new impulse leg. However, something is interesting on a daily. Remember, on a weekly time frame, we have this kind of candle. Then when we go to a daily time frame, then we have the very same candle. Can we look at this? This is what I meant by saying we might have a confirmation candle, which will be a bearish candle forming right here to give us what? To give us the confirmation that the market is ready again to retest this area. But we'll see. Let's go to daily and check what we have based off daily. Remember, we picked up this as maybe being our new impulse leg, and let us remember that the market will not just move straight to the target. The market needs to breathe. So maybe this is a breather, or this was just a fake out, then the market will continue. But let us see what the market has for us based off the daily. So we are only going to look at the areas of concern based off daily. Let me just take this support. We have this area of concern, or maybe this resistance right here, and this resistance is the one that this candle reacted based off this resistance right here. If you can check the week right here, let me just mark that one. This week result is the result happened. This rejection is the result of this resistance right here. Okay, with that, this is what we have. We might have also a range that we might look for. But what we are interested in at this point is to have a new candle doing what? Maybe tomorrow's candle to come and break below this area, giving us an assurance that the market will pull back down, or the new candle violate whatever is happening right here, break above, then the market will continue to our direction. Remember that we are not controlling the market, and we don't know which direction will the market take. We are just speculating, and we follow the price. So with what we have at this point, and please remember, look at the focus here. From weekly time frame, we took only this candle, going to a daily time frame, but knowing what is happening here. Then going to a daily time frame, we are taking this area hence as being area of concern. Then we'll take it to an H4 to see what is it that we have. Okay, we had a consolidation and the price broke below. Maybe we might have a continuation, or the price might retest or come back to a consolidation and break above. We don't know that. Let us see what we have based off H4. So price came out of this consolidation right here, based off H4. Price came out of this consolidation and this fake out, and this one again. Okay, maybe let's have this area, or the whole area, but let us just take this one because what is rejected many times. Price came out of this consolidation area last week and then broke above as anticipated. Then what happened? It broke above as anticipated. Why? Because of, even though we had a consolidation, but the price kept on printing what? Kept on printing the higher lows at this point. Then we anticipated that the price will break above, and this is what happened. We managed at least to catch this trade right here. Then what happened again is that when price reached this area right here, it created another area of consolidation at this point. Maybe this was a fake out. It created some kind of consolidation at this point and it broke below. This right here might be a breakout and retest, waiting for price to give us the sign that will go up. So what is it? Immediately, let us spot out the opportunities here. If the price can break below, I would want the price to close, but if I have to take trades, I might want to take trades if the price maybe give me the sign below this. There we have about 60-70 pips at this point, but the buyers will be more efficient than the sellers because we cannot sell inside the range. Price reacted a lot here. So we want the clean move. If we can get a sign, that tells us that the price is pushing up, this will be a good idea to have buys at this point. So what is it that we have? We have a break. This might be an attempt to retest, or maybe price might dip inside. But it will be a good idea if the price reverses from this area right here. So what we can do at this point, we can go maybe to H1 and see what we have based off that. Gold H1, that is that area we talked about right here. Only based off H1 is that area of consolidation that we had and price having to come in. But let us just focus on H1. If you can look at H1, there's something that we had and there was a reason for that. If you can look at this pattern, this is a head and shoulder pattern, and head and shoulder pattern broke neckline. There was a neckline break and a deeper retest. This could have acted as a fake out, deeper retest, then it dropped back down. And let us remind ourselves, how do we calculate a profit TP on head and shoulder? This is after neckline break. This is our TP. So it seems like our head and shoulder is completed. We cannot take a trade based off head and shoulder at this area. So let's see what is it that we have that might tell us. Let us make it a fresh analysis here. That might tell us that the price is really moving up, or it's breaking below this area. So let's follow structure. We had an uptrend here. Then we had this violation or this pullback, right? Then what we have here, based off that pullback, let's see what we have. We have price busy printing the lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then with that we might have a break at this point, maybe based off trend line. Please remember that different people will draw trend line differently. I've drawn mine based off the body close, but know that this is a zone. This is not just a trend line based off this. This is a zone. Someone might come and draw a trend line based off weeks. It's still fine. It's still okay. The main important thing is that your trend line must never break. The price must never break through price or pass through price like this. Maybe having to say I'm drawing my trend line based off that. No, but there can be a debate based off the way I drew my trend line, based off body close, because I am biased, yes, because I'm trying to accommodate this point that I saw as point C. But that can be argued. Then what is it? What else do I have? First, I checked my structure based off this. I had what? I had lower highs being printed, and I have lower lows being printed, right? Then let's see if price is following some sort of a trend also here. If we focus here, no, maybe let's take this point. Okay. Let's take this as point A, point B, and our point C here. So what we have at this point, this can be argued. What we have at this point, we have some sort of a falling wedge. And what do we know about a falling wedge? Wedges are both reversal and continuation patterns, but the price is testing a falling wedge at this point. We might have another lower high. What kind of a lower high I'm talking about? We might have another lower high, price having to test this, even though or break down or break above, we don't know that yet. So our focus will watch price, whether price will break below this or will try to come back here. But what we have at this point is that even if the price comes here, it will never violate these points because this will remain lower highs even if the price comes here and go back or break above. So based off H4, this is what we have, guys. Based off H4, this is what we have. Then we can take this information, take it to our entries and try to see how can we get into the market using this. Okay, let's remove all the analysis here. Based off, okay, that is that head and shoulder formation. So where are we based off the market, the current market price? So here we have an area of importance, we have another area of importance, so what we are going to focus on, I would like to focus on structure alone at this point, because I'm looking for some kind of violation of price. I might take this, but let me just take this and let it make sense to everyone. I would love to take this point as a same drop. You can even take this ones, but I will neglect that one and take this as a drop, this one, that one, and then this point right here. What do we have if we're focusing on structure? We're having higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and lower lows. With this lower lows at this point, if the price will continue, and with this, what do we have? Coming here, we have price pulling back. Price might break and retest, then this will tell us that the price is continuing. Or if the price does this and retest this point, this will be a confirmation to what? This will be a confirmation of this point right here. Let us check this area right here. If that will confirm the breaks of structure. 1815,500, 1815,500, 1817. Where's 1815? 1813, 1815, somewhere around 1815, 500, somewhere around this area. So meaning that if the price can break above this area, it means that it will give us the confirmation. If you are trading based off 1813, this is that 1813, then 1815. Okay, 1817 is taking the week of this area right here. So if the price right here, if the new candle will come and close above this area, that will be a sign for us to take our buys, hoping that the price will break even above this and going above our falling wedge. So guys, this is what we have. So this is what we are going to observe now. It seems like the price doesn't wanna. Oh, this will take time. Come on. Okay. Oh, let me just remove drawings. So what is it that we want to see right here? We have a last known support at this point. Then we have this area. Maybe we can take this area as a first violation. If you are early, we can take our trade based off this. Remember, this video, let me make a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. There's no financial advice here, guys. And then we might want to take our first trade based off this break right here and catch our nice 30 pips. This will make sense. But the main one that we are looking for after that 30 pip range, then we have something like an 80 pip range. Then at this point, I believe that this area right here will be what? This area will be the test, 80 pip range. Let me check. Yes, 80 pip range will be the test of this trend line right here. So guys, please never over risk, don't over trade, don't do anything that you don't understand from the market. Let the market reveal itself to you. Don't move the market, just follow price. Have a nice trading week. I thank you.